Hi everybody, Hanna here from Symphony Ventures, and welcome back to Ask AJ, where we talk about robotic process and intelligent automation. One of the things that you have to consider as you're starting up an RPA program or an automation program in general is what kind of maintenance or ongoing maintenance is going to be required once you have processes automated. You may have heard me say that this is not set it and forget it technology. This isn't something that you do one time and then you just let it go and let it run however it runs. Just like every other associate, a digital associate, is going to be required to be kept up to date when there are changes in the environment. And so as you set up your program, you're going to need to know who you have available or what resources you have to be able to keep up with the ongoing maintenance of those bots as the environment around them changes. Either changes to the rules that it processes against, changes to the systems that it utilizes in order to document those transactions. You may want to have a resource whose responsibility is helping for monitoring the status of those bots as they do their work. Are they going off as scheduled? Are they producing the same amount of transactions or the same number of exceptions that you would expect in a normal run operation? Having somebody analyze that can help you to know whether or not you might have a problem in the environment that the bot is working in. You may want to have quality control personnel who are dedicated to create segregation of duties so that the person who is doing the bot configuration is not the person assessing their own quality, is not necessarily the person sending it into production. You may want to create some segregation of duties in that way. So as you can see, there is more to maintaining your bot fleet perhaps than what many people realize in getting started or in their deliberations about whether or not they want to do an automation program. And all of these things are critical to keep your bots healthy, to keep them productive, and to make sure that your automation program provides the benefit that the organization desires. If you have questions, feel free to send them to me at askaj@symphonyhq.com. The YouTube channel is at AskAJ, and follow me on Facebook and Twitter at AskAJ Hanna, no H on the end. And we'll talk to you again next time.